I've seen a few reviews, and the makeup artist is like, oh, so good, so great, so pigmented, so nice. When is it ever gonna show up? Like, I need to know. Or is there some kind of special brush that I have to get? Do I need to get the $300 brush for me to get some kind of color pay? I'm not gonna sleep on my chair while trying to, you know, put some eyeshadow on this face. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a lovely tutorial on this look that I've got on. So if you're interested, or if you want to see how I achieved it, keep watching. I'm also gonna be reviewing the Kylie Jenner's Eye of the Storm palette. Don't get me started, this palette is a lot. I have a lot of emotions towards how annoyed I feel that I actually wasted my money getting this, but I'm going to talk about that at the end of the video. Before we go forward, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? You want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? We're gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm using my Becca primer. I'm just gonna apply a few drops all over my face. I already did my brows. I'm gonna quickly prime my eyelids, and I'm just gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. You guys already know this is pretty much the only concealer I use. And I'm just gonna set it with my Kat Von D brightening powder. And I'm just gonna go a little bit below the brown, below Burkina. And I'm going to take this color into the crease as well. I'm using a different blending brush. I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm going to try to do a halo eye. So I'm going to take this to the ends on both sides. I'm just going to take electric just with my fingertip and apply to the middle. I'm going to go back into my mascara palette, and I'm going to take the pink or Zobo, and I'm just going to blend it into my crease again. Let's go back to the eyes. I'm going to finish it up by applying Zobo to my under eyes, or to my lower lids rather. Okay, and then going up above it, I'm gonna apply the same black eyeshadow Stargaze just underneath my lashes, and I'm also applying it to my waterline as well. I'm gonna go into electric, and I'm just gonna apply this 1/4 of the way, so just at the beginning, just like that. And for my inner tear duct, I'm going to go back into my mascara palette because it's awesome. And I'm going to be using Bori. It's a nice pink color. And I really want this look to pop, so I might be doing the most. But it's very much necessary. Nah. That's not as good as I thought it was going to be, so we're going to switch plans here. So I think I'm going to switch and go into my Saharan palette by Juvia's Place as well. And I'm going to use Fula. Highlighter. Okay, next I'm going to move to highlight, and I am going to be using my I Like Your Face by Colourpop. In the spirit of the whole rose gold pinkish theme that we got going on, I'm going to use this one at the bottom. I'm just going to use the same highlighter as my brow bone color just to get it popping a bit. Okay guys, I'm going to go off camera and apply my lashes, and I have these ones from Sephora, and this one's called Fringe. It's the number 4. I don't think I need an eyeliner. If you feel like you need one, go for it, but I feel like this is it. I might just leave it at here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipstick, and this one's from Colourpop as well, and this one's called Zipper. It has me boiling, kinda. First of all, this palette I got it for $40 US. I live in Canada, so with all the shipping charges and by the time all the conversions and everything happened, I ended up paying $71.98, I believe. The palette itself was a little bit disheartening. First of all, the size. Take a look at this. This is worth $40 US. If you look at the palette, like the pants are kind of like out of place, like they're about to fall out anytime soon. I feel like if I played with them a little, like that'd be it, like they'll just fall out, and there's not a lot of eyeshadow in here. And then to even make it worse, the pigmentation is hard. Something has to be going for it if you're gonna price it at $40. Like I'm just gonna show you how I try to apply. I'm gonna show you a little mini tutorial of me struggling with this yellow eyeshadow. I tried and tried and tried, and after 10 applications and reapplications, I was looking a hot boiling mess. So I just decided to not put out that video because it was bad. But I feel like I'm gonna put in a few of the horrible clips so you guys can see. Okay, and I'm gonna go back and apply the yellow because it's all washed out again. So far, I feel like I pretty much spent my money on garbage because I don't know, like the colors just aren't doing it for me. Like the fallout is crazy. Like the colors are just not sticking. It's just not pigmented enough. I feel like it's just a struggle. I feel like the green at the bottom is not too bad. The brown is okay, and this one is not so bad as well. The rest are just pretty much useless. Especially the mattes in this palette, like don't even bother, don't even try, don't even waste your money. It's not worth it. I'm gonna swatch the glitter shadows first. So as you can see, the glitter shadows are not so bad. Okay? Like it do have some kind of pigment going on. They're still not the most pigmented palettes. I feel like I'll take like Juvia's palette or any other palette actually out there. Even the ones that I haven't tried before, I would give them a try. I'm gonna show you the mattes. These ones are next level horrible. I'm not gonna swatch the black and silver because those ones are good. Those ones are really good. I'm not gonna even fault those ones. Those ones have some pigment going for them. So these are the mattes in the palette. This one's the brown. These two, you can't even tell the difference. This one is supposed to be darker than this one, but there is really not much of a difference. And honey, that's the yellow in the palette. Like where am I supposed to put this? Like in my inner tear duct? Am I supposed to put this above my crease? Like when is it ever gonna show up? Like I need to know. Or is there some kind of special brush that I have to get? Do I need to get the $300 brush for me to get some kind of color payout? I'm just gonna stick with the the glitter shadows in the palette and try to use them and make the best use of it. Other than that, I feel like I kind of wasted my money. I don't think I'm going to be getting another eyeshadow from the website because I really like pigmented colors. Like when I'm putting something on there, I want to see that color. I don't want it lost in transition. I don't want to apply it 50 times and still not see it. I'm not going to sleep on my chair while trying to, you know, put some eyeshadow on this face. What else is there to say? Don't get it. This is a waste of money. It is low-key garbage. There's no other way I can explain it. I've seen a few reviews and the makeup artist is like, oh, so good, so great, so pigmented, so nice. And then I try it on myself and I don't see what you guys are seeing. You guys let me know, okay? Let me know what I'm doing wrong and so I can fix it, or let me know if this palette is really truly garbage. Really, from all the videos I saw on this palette, I only saw one YouTube reviewer who was like actually really honest. I expect to be wowed or I expect to get some kind of value for my money. This isn't anything. I just have these two shadows that are quite impressive. Other than that, I pretty much threw my money down the drain. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this review, guys. You guys let me know what you think, if you've tried this palette or if you've tried any of the Kylie Cosmetics palettes. I'll definitely say think twice before you order this palette in particular. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'll be making my day. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.